I looked at this channel and said, "What is this?" But brother, the moment I actually watched the video, I was shocked. I know what you're thinking too. This looks like a normal video. Car restoration videos are everywhere on YouTube. What's so special about this? So listen carefully. These car restoration videos are AI generated. Yes, 100% AI generated videos. No way, right? And listen to this. The channel is already monetized. Such fast growth with so few videos is something I've seen very rarely. If you need water, drink it now. Because once I start teaching how these videos are made, you won't be able to go anywhere. Before we jump into the video making steps, first take a look at the channel that inspired this. AI has become so advanced that sometimes even real videos feel AI generated to me. The videos I'm about to teach you today gave me a brand new channel idea while I was creating them. A totally unique idea. We'll talk about it exactly at the moment when that idea came to my mind during the process. Now also check this last channel. Its very first video went viral. That means only one thing. This niche has huge potential, and right now the competition is very low. Before moving ahead, watch this video once so you understand how these creators are actually making their videos. Today, you're going to learn a lot. So before moving forward, subscribe to the channel, because before 2026 arrives, we want to complete 20,000 subscribers on this channel. No pressure, no force. If you look closely at this channel, you'll notice it's unknowingly using a proven strategy called trend jacking. Meaning, this creator only makes videos on cars that are already famous, like Toyota, Supra, Ferrari. And because these cars are popular in countries like the USA, the channel gets views from Tier 1 countries, which means high RPM. You need to use the same strategy.
To find video topics, I've already written a master prompt. This prompt gives you exactly those video topics that include famous cars. You just need to copy the entire prompt. After that, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Before running the prompt, notice that I've clearly instructed it to focus only on classic muscle cars, rare vintage European cars, cult favorite supercars. If you want to go even deeper, you can choose just one car type, for example, only cult favorites or only classic muscle cars. This way, your channel will attract a very specific audience. When you make another video on the same car category, that audience will watch again, and your channel will grow steadily. And then, money, money, money. Now, you don't need to change anything else in the prompt. Just tell it how many video topics you want. I'll ask it to generate 10 video topics. Now we have our 10 topics. The first line is your video topic. The line below explains why that topic can go viral. You can choose any topic you like. Right now, I like the one about Supra MK4, so I'll make a video on that. I copy the topic and paste it into Google Docs. Now comes the slightly technical part. After getting the topic, we cannot directly ask for video prompts. First, we need to create scenes, and then convert those scenes into videos. First, copy the second prompt from the PDF. This prompt tells ChatGPT to generate video scenes. By default, I've asked it to create a 15-minute video, but each scene is kept short, because video generators only create 8-second clips. Just paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Replace "paste video topic here" with your topic. If you want a longer or shorter video, you can change it at the end. Otherwise, leave it. It'll generate a 15-minute video structure. Now I run the prompt. ChatGPT starts doing the real work. You just need to wait a bit,
because it's writing scenes for a full 15-minute video. For a 15-minute video, you need a lot of scenes. Think of it like this. One scene equals one video clip. It starts from a broken car standing somewhere. Then someone approaches it, takes it to a garage, cleans it, replaces parts. Now look, 112 scenes are generated. This is more than enough for a 15-minute video. Another benefit of generating scenes first is that each scene is only one short line. You can read them easily and remove any scene you don't like. After scenes are ready, now it's time to convert scenes into video prompts. For this, copy the third prompt from the PDF and paste it into ChatGPT exactly as it is. This prompt converts each scene into a video prompt. But since we have 112 scenes, ChatGPT can't convert all of them at once. That's why I instructed it to give the result in 3 parts. First, it will generate prompts for the first 30 to 40 scenes. Then, when you say yes, it'll give part 2. Simple, right? Now I run this prompt. ChatGPT starts writing video prompts. It has now written 30 prompts and asks, "Do you want part 2? Before moving ahead, let's talk about these prompts. Yes, these are video prompts, but we won't use them directly. If you notice, the first prompt is detailed, but as you go down, the detail starts disappearing. That leads to bad and inconsistent videos. Honestly, that's trash. After thinking a lot, I found a powerful solution. Do you need to buy a $50 tool to enhance prompts? No, I was joking. I'll show you a completely free method. Just one request. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now open another chatbot alongside ChatGPT. I'm opening Grok. From the PDF, copy the prompt titled "Convert normal video prompts into JSON prompts." Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok. When I saw the result, my heart was happy. I hope yours will be too. This method converts a normal prompt into a highly detailed JSON prompt. I haven't found this level of detail anywhere else. Now copy the entire JSON prompt. Next, choosing the video generator was easy because only one tool produces this quality. Before revealing it, I've opened 3 tools, paste it into Grok and run it. When Grok replies with, "Understood, I'm ready," we're good to go. Grok Meta AI Veo3 inside Google Flow. I'll generate one video from each. First, Grok. Select video, paste the prompt and run. Now Meta AI, its results are impressive too. But Meta has one drawback. You must add background music and sound effects manually. We don't want extra work, so Meta is out. Now check Veo3. This is the tool I was talking about. And the channels we studied use the same tool. Notice something. Veo3 generated a red car, while Grok generated a different color. That means we didn't specify the car color clearly. So we go back and tell Grok the car color is red. Remember this. Now we start actual production. Workflow. Copy video prompt from ChatGPT. Paste into Grok. Convert to JSON. Paste JSON into Veo3. Generate video. Repeat for all scenes. Those who took my advice seriously and bought the student plan are very happy now. But if you don't have a plan, here are solutions. Use Grok or buy Veo3 Unlimited plan. Because this niche requires many videos, credits will burn fast. If you want the Veo3 plan, comment below. I'll try to find a cheaper option. Now generate all videos the same way. While watching this process, a new channel idea came to my mind. You've seen people washing dirty carpets in ASMR videos, millions of views, right? Those are real videos. But now imagine AI-generated car washing ASMR videos. Almost nobody is doing this, and it can go insanely viral. You can even open a separate channel for that. If Grok starts misbehaving, just open a new chat and repeat the steps. Simple fix. Many people panic here. Now I've generated all videos for part 1. To get part 2 prompts, just type, yes, part 2. Repeat the same process. After generating all videos, download them. I download in original size to save time. Next, open CapCut. I use version 7.5.0. Import all clips and arrange them in sequence. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3. No need to change anything else. Just hide the Veo3 watermark. You can place your channel name over it. Now your video is ready. If you see the video is only 4 minutes, don't panic. That's because I only used part 1. When you combine all 3 parts, you'll get a 15-minute video. Finally, thumbnails. Copy the last prompt from the PDF and run it in ChatGPT. This prompt generates high-quality thumbnail prompts for any topic. Paste it into Whisk AI, generate images, and download the best one. Before ending, remember this. If you think this process looks difficult, you're right, but that's exactly why most people won't do it. And that's why this niche is still unsaturated. If you push through and start creating, you can grow very fast. Now subscribe, like the video, and comment anything, even an emoji. Bye! Om.